once the forward entry door is closed. If you are in an emergency exit seat, please review the safety information card in the seat back pocket nearest you. If you do not meet all of the selection criteria on the card, are unable to perform the functions, or believe that performing those functions may cause you harm, please let us know right now so we can reseat you. So that we may push back from the gate, please fasten your seatbelt, raise your seat back and tray cable to the full upright and locked position, and make sure carry-on items are completely under the seat, in front of you, or in an overhead bin, leaving the area around your feet clear. Laptop computers and portable electronic devices of similar size must also be stowed at this time. If you wish to use them after takeoff, please stow them under the seat in front of you. Thank you for choosing Southwest Airlines. Welcome aboard.
Good afternoon, everyone. From the flight deck, this is your captain speaking. I would like to welcome you aboard Southwest Airlines Flight 1698 with service to Long Island. We will be pushing back from the gate shortly. Our flight time today is 1 hour and 10 minutes. Thank you for flying Southwest Airlines. Welcome aboard.
Okay, here's the checklist for the door to the locked fuel. We have
United 409er Heavy, Washington offline, radar service terminated, frequency change approved, yeah.
Over to you, Unicom. Thanks for the help today, United 409. Bye.
Air Canada 8781, radar contact lost. JetBlue 8787, Washington is offline, radar service terminated, frequency change approved, yeah.
Passengers approved, thank you very much. See ya.
Potomac departure, good day, Southwest 1698, Baltimore, information Sierra, gate Bravo 7 for pushback.
Southwest 1698, Potomac departure, hello. Push inside the alley is approved, expect runway 15 right.
Push on the alley approved, expect 15 right, Southwest 1698.
Locking gear.
Georgia 639, turn right heading 360, vectors to the approach.
Right 360, Georgia.
Release parking brakes, please. Commencing push. All engines clear. Start at will.
District 5213, Potomac departure, hello, push onto November is approved. Expect runway 1.
If we could have your attention for just a moment, we'd like to point out the safety features of our Boeing 737 Max8. A safety information card is in the seat back or literature pocket in front of you. To fasten your seatbelt, slide the flat end into the buckle. Pull the loose strap to tighten. To release, lift up on the buckle. Position your seatbelt tight and low across your hips and wear it any time you are seated. There are 8 emergency exits, 2 forward exit doors, 4 open
639, reduce speed
and 2
180.
exit doors in the back. Signs overhead and lights on the floor lead to exits. If an evacuation is necessary, follow flight attendant commands and leave everything. This aircraft is equipped with life rafts. 2 life rafts are located in the forward ceiling compartment and 2 life rafts are located in the ceiling compartments at mid-cabin. In the event of a water evacuation, use the life vest under your seat. Remove the vest only if told to do so.
Please set parking brakes.
Strap to open the container and remove the pouch.
Unlocking gear.
Remove the vest from the pouch as shown on the safety information card. Place the vest over your head. Wrap the strap around your waist, buckle it in the front, and pull to tighten. Once outside, pull down on the red tab to inflate the vest. To manually inflate, blow into the tube at your shoulder. Your vest has a light that turns on automatically in the water. Please refer to the safety information card for use of a life vest on an instant.
Georgia 639, 3 miles from Jean. Turn right heading 085, maintain 2000 until established on the localizer. Cleared ILS runway 10 approach.
Right 085, 2000 till stop on the localizer. Cleared ILS 10 approach, George. 39.
Leaving the area room to seat clear. Smoking is not allowed on board, including the
Tow truck disconnected. Bypass pin removed.
Electronic cigarettes is prohibited.
Left is clear, right is clear.
Tampering with, disabling, or destroying any smoke detector in an aircraft lavatory. It is also prohibited to consume alcohol that you have brought with you on this flight. Federal aviation regulations require passenger compliance with the lighted passenger information signs, posted placards, and crew member instructions, including information on seat belts and smoking. If needed, 4 oxygen masks will drop from a compartment overhead. To activate the flow of oxygen, pull down on the mask until the plastic tubing is fully extended. Place the mask over your nose and mouth and breathe normally. Secure the mask with the elastic strap. Although oxygen will be
Georgia 639, wind at Baltimore 10 at 4, runway 10, clear to land.
10 to land,
Notified by a crew member. If you are traveling with children or anyone needing special assistance, put on your mask first. Please remove any face coverings before donning an oxygen mask. We are here for your comfort and safety. Please report any unwelcome behavior to a flight attendant. Thank you for your attention. Now sit back, relax, and enjoy your 1 hour and 10 minute flight to Long Island. Welcome aboard.
Down, left, right, left, left, right. For taxi checklist, chemical sign, police on substation arrived, switch, Venus, go, check, auto brake. The brake here, flap 5 3 light, and engine start level is
Approach 09 approach of Mike, Potomac approach, hello. Depends on where. Like, in the area that you are right now, I don't control anything above 2000.
Potomac departure, Southwest 1698, call for taxi.
Southwest 1698, runway 15 right, taxi via Tango, Hotel, Papa.
Taxi runway 15 right via Tango, Hotel Papa, Southwest 1698.
Georgia 639, welcome to Baltimore. Taxi uniform, Papa to the ramp. See ya.
Uniform Papa, Georgia 639.
District 5213, runway 1, taxi via November, Juliet, cross runway 4 at Juliet.
Stop approach for flight 122. That's 2,400, 2,000, direct, still the ILS 17.
For flight 133 Potomac approach hello, the Dallas altimeter 2971. Advise you have the weather NOTAMs at Leesburg and stay approach request.
Request the ILS 17, get the weather at Leesburg.
For flight 133, roger, you can expect it. And you said you're a direct which waypoint?
Directing still, that's on the ILS, still looks like.
Potomac approach American 2135, descending by 35. For flight 133, roger. Cross Steel at 3000, at Steel cleared ILS runway 17 into Leesburg.
Cross still 3000, Sydney, Master, still cleared the ILS 17.
American 2135 Potomac approach. Hello, is that you calling?
Affirm. Information limit descending right at 35 into GTA.
American 2135, roger. Expect ILS runway 1.
Expect the ILS runway 1, American 2135.
For flight 133, advise IFR cancellation in the air, on the ground, or missed approach this frequency. Frequency change approved.
Frequency change approved, full contact, you on ground, full flight.
Okay, before the checklist, top 5, good nights. Level 3, 4.7 check. For the checklist is completed.
Southwest 1698, wind at Baltimore 1203, runway 15 right, clear for takeoff.
15 right, clear for takeoff, Southwest 1698.
Approaching 15 right.
Boost check 5213, runway 1, clear for takeoff.
Potomac approach, good afternoon, Speedbird 6 Alpha, Papa 9, inbound lurch, 13,700 for 10,000.
Speedbird 62 Alpha, heavy Potomac approach, hello. Dallas Stages information, hotel is current, verify you have that. Altimeter 2971, expect ILS runway 1 on our left.
We have Hotel 2971 and requesting 19 Century if possible, please, Speedbird 6 Alpha.
Speedbird 62 Alpha Heavy, you can expect ILS runway 1 on our center.
Thanks very much, 19 Century, Speedbird 6 Alpha.
V1.
Brickyard 4780, Potomac departure, hello. Stand by 1 second. We may have to switch ops to south.
Pilot on.
Blue Streak 5213, radar contact, stay altitude.
We are passing 900.
Blue Streak 5213, roger, climb maintain 17,000.
Climb maintain 17,000 for Blue Streak 5213.
Southwest 1698, radar contact, stay altitude.
Leaving 3,300, Southwest 1698.
Southwest 1698, roger, climb and maintain 17,000.
Climb and maintain 17,000, Southwest 1698.
American 2135, the wind now favors south, expect the RNAV Yankee runway 19er.
Okay, we'll try to switch to RNAV 19er, American.
And 2135, descend and maintain 5,000, then reduce speed to 180, let me know when you're ready for the approach.
I found 5,000, then reduce 180.
Still push Brickyard 4780, we can take runway 15 for departure.
Brickyard 4780, runway 15, taxi via November.
15 via November for Brickyard 4780.
Potomac for flight level 133 on the front of this.
For flight 133, roger, IFR cancellation received, thanks for flying, see ya.
See ya, bro.
Approach, Speedbird 6 Alpha, do you have vectors from Hyper, please?
Speedbird 602 Alpha, heavy, flight present heading, vectors to the approach, descend and maintain 5,000.
Flight present heading down to 5,000, Speedbird 6 Alpha
Ladies
heading.
and gentlemen, use of all portable electronic devices is now permitted in airplane mode with several functions turned off. In a few moments we will be coming through to take the drink order. We will be serving complimentary soft drinks, juice, and coffee. Beer, wine, and liquor are available for purchase or with a gallon drink coupon. There is a beverage menu in your seat back pocket or you may go to the south.
Speedbird 602 Alpha, heavy clear at Nuke, at Nuke cleared ILS runway 1 on our center approach. Speed 180 until 5 mile final.
Please be mindful.
Back to Nukes and from Nukes, clear ILS 19 Centre and 180 until final Speedbird 6 Alpha.
Laboratories in the front and back of the aircraft. The sign on the ceiling indicates whether the laboratory is specified. Please do not
Southwest 1698, New York offline radar services terminated, frequency change of 15.
Fully change to
Please
Southwest
don't hesitate to let
1698.
us know if you have
Blue Streak 5213, Washington offline radar services terminated,